Hello everyone. Today we will learn HTML coding. Let's open Microsoft Visual Studio Code, the blue one. That's our previous project. Today we will learn how to make form and actions. All this. We'll remove all and write form. And here in the form, write input. This input will be for the name. We will make a placeholder name and another input for email placeholder, write placeholder email, and also write input password placeholder password. Okay. Then make the last input submit. This will make button. Go live. Click go live. This is our form. Okay. This is our form. I will write my name, email, at email.com. No, I will write only email. And the password, look, so like the password character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Submit. Here must be email address because I wrote the type email. And here is the password character because here I wrote password. And here submit. This is submitting the form. Email at .com. Anything. Email. Submit the form. Here I can make like this. I didn't write anything in the input and submit. We can write required and no, not read all. Required. And the last one, required. Here, if I do like this, please fill. Okay, name. I will not fill the rest. Fill also. Okay, email. And gmail.com. Must submit. Okay. We can write here the action here. We'll make another file. I'll name it anything like home.html. And here the action home.html. Then submit. It will go home.html. We will write sign up. Finished. Okay. Please sign and I'll make button sign in. Sign in. Okay. And another file sign in dot html. I'll copy the form here and I will write on click windows dot location dot href equal then quote. Then I'll write sign in dot html. Let's try. It's visited to sign in dot html. Okay. I can make also and sign in page. I'll write no account, then the link element or tag A. Okay, href, then equal, write in the double quote index.html, and here create one. No account, create one. And also we can change the title. Just look here, there. Here, for example, I will make sign in and here sign up, here home. In the button, in the form, it's submit. You can write here the value equal sign second sign up. So the text for the button changed, but the default submit value is changing the text for the object. And also on sign in value equal sign in. I want to go index or go live. The title, and you can search for a logo. I'll search for HTML images. Logo. This one. No. Copy link and no. I will make favorite icon. This one. Like here, and also I will use save image. I will save it to my project. HTML file .jpg. So here you will see the image, and this I will write HTML like this. Look here. Google and here I'll write image.png. You'll see Google. You can make it anything, and we finished our lesson today. See you next video, inshallah.